Hi, I'm the Lockpicking Cuber, and in this video I am going to be making a combination lock out of wood. So this is a product that comes from UGears. It's called Combination Lock. It's for ages 14 and above, and yeah, let's see what it's like. So it's a bunch of pieces of laser cut wood, and apparently you don't need glue or anything to hold it together. It all just clicks together. Oh, a bunch of toothpicks. I didn't expect that. Okay. All right, so it's all just, all the pieces are contained in just these two sheets. It's kind of amazing to me to make a working combination lock out of wood like this. So let's see. All right, so the sheet we want first is this one. Wait a little bit. We want piece number one. So are there actually... Oh no, this is piece number 4. I see, so that's this guy here. So how hard is that to get out? Not too bad. There we go. Okay, that's that piece done. Ooh, toothpick time. Right, we need 4 toothpicks. Okay. Right, this is one of those sets of instructions where you get to use 8 pieces all in one go, or 9 even. So I'm going to take this one, couple sticks, and go in these little holes here. Okay, and then I need to sandpaper these ends down. All right. So that becomes D1. So this goes. Oops. Like this. That's right. Okay. This is D1. What is next? Right, a bunch of 5s and 9s. I guess I picked my own code. That's nice. So I'm going to have 3, 1, 4. It's going to be like so. one of the wheels. So what next? Now we need these pieces 8A. Okay, these are these guys. Oh, these are exciting looking. Exciting in the sense of, I hope I don't break them. Oh wait, I've got to make these guys next. This was the 7, so what's the difference I see? Turtles, and then turtles with exploded feet. Alright, so I need 4 more toothpicks. That, yeah. How does that work? Sort of squish these in. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. Let me get that all the way there. Okay. Alright, and that is the second piece, so that's piece D2, D1 and D2. Now on to piece 14 and 15. Yep. I got this the wrong way around. Okay, fine. So this has to come off now. I'm very confused now. That's not meant to go through there. Oh, I see. Like that. Instead, I think. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And then this guy. And then we need piece number 10, which is this exciting looking piece. And that has a notch over on the right. So that's what in here. Ooh, that's a nice tight fit in there. Oh, look at that. That's very attractive. Okay, so that's this piece. And now I'm going to put a bunch of wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number 11s, which is these. I think that's all the pieces then. And I guess it's just a matter of putting these 3 parts together. So it's very clever, this, because you could obviously make this piece or this piece out of plastic as a solid single piece, but in order to get it onto a flat sheet of laser cut wood, they come up with this system where you sort of laminate it yourself, put layers together. It's very clever. Alright, so now we just put the 3 pieces together, D1, D2. D2 is a bit sort of shaky, but I guess that's okay because these wheels have to turn. And D3. Oh, I need one more. One more? Oh, just the right number then. Right, so we're putting D1 and D2 together here, so turtle side upwards like that. No. No, wait. It's the wrong way around. Okay, I'm going to just hope that the mirror image will work. I think so. Everything should be symmetrical. Alright. Okay, so that bit goes level with the head. That's the point. And the teeth will go in there. Oh, that can come out anyway. Haha. Then it will. That's a relief. Okay. So now I can put this back in. Hopefully the correct way around this time. Let's just check that. So if we stand the tortoise upright like this, that tortoise, then this tortoise goes this side round, right, like this. Okay, that's good news, because I suspect getting these zigzag pieces out will be difficult. So yeah, this is the correct way around now, because we want the guy lined up with the head, right? Now over on the left, yep. Okay, how do I get those to go in? I don't know. Brute force, I think, but at the moment that isn't really working. They might just not be quite lined up correctly, of course. There we are. They just had to be really perfectly aligned. Okay. Ah, there we go. Now they're all lined up. Can you see that? So because I've got the combination set correctly here to 3, 1, 4, all these indentations in there line up with each other. You can see if I turn them, they become misaligned. There you go. Okay, so let's get those all nicely lined up. There we go. And now D3 comes along and it goes into the head like this. Oh, that's so neat. There it is. And that is it completed, I think. So let's check. So if I now scramble the dials. Oh, it's here. I see. That arrow points at where the correct combination needs to go. So if that's, let's just check this doesn't come out. No. Yeah, it's this piece that comes out, right? Yeah. Oh, I see. And these dials are just for show. They're just to look like it's metal, I guess. But if we set this to 3, 1, 3, 1 something, it won't come out. There's still one gate blocked up, and then we want to make this one be 4. That's 3, 1, 4. And quite lined up. Has to be really tight. There we go. Isn't that nice? So there we go, a UGears wooden combination lock. You can see how this works. We have these 3 teeth in here, and they go into these gaps here, and then the wheels move in between the teeth, so here, here, and here. And then when the gaps aren't lined up with the teeth, you can't pull this out because the teeth hit up against these wooden circles. But when they are lined up, as they are now, they can fit through either in or out. And I guess this is kind of like the shackle on the padlock. Obviously you couldn't use this as a real padlock, it's more of an educational toy and a fun thing to build. But that was quite enjoyable. I think that would make a nice gift for a teenage kid. I would say it required a little more, sandpapering, and actually with hindsight it didn't need the knife. You could just snap the toothpicks with your fingers, so that wasn't so bad. Following the knife instruction on here, I think not a good idea. Oh, I see. Maybe they're just using that to show you that you cut off the tip. Okay, maybe I misunderstood that. Anyway, that was really good fun. I hope you've enjoyed watching me build this. I also have another set, which I'm a little bit intimidated by, which is this safe, which I guess will have some similarities, but it's a lot thicker. So I guess that will have more sheets of wood and more parts, more complexity to it. Looks like there's a rubber band in there as well. I'm going to be really intrigued to see how this works with a 3-digit mechanical code lock with a spinning wheel where you have to turn it in different directions. So yeah, that's going to be good fun. They make all sorts of other toys and puzzles and things out of this laser cut wood as well. But anyway, there we go. That was me building the UGears combination lock model. I hope you've enjoyed watching me build this and try it out. If you have, please do hit the subscribe button so you can hopefully catch me make the more complicated one. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.